today is Cozumel Day, and we're going up to Blue Iguana to get something to eat. So let's see what they have. I need some sun.
That's the Freedom. Yeah, 2 stacks. He's got 2 stacks.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking it is.
And then one way back there.
That's crazy.
And Shelly with her coffee. Oh, look, there's the speedboat. Oh, no,
That's that catamaran, the little the slow one.
oh, the one we went, woo! We were left.
She said
Well, we watched this hill, we'd be like, oh, that'd be something you'd have to do, or you're gonna have to do that one.
We're headed to Mr. Sanchos. Muy rápido.
Yay! Is this thing stuck? Shelly?
What, the seatbelt?
Yeah.
It's around the seat.
Get enough room?
What's your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel? I think he's a safe driver.
It might feel that, okay? Oh, I see what's going on. I seen him put his seatbelt on. So. First time here? Yes, me. And you all's first time too, Shelly, right?
It's our first time leaving without Carnival, yeah.
Okay. You understand? Am I scared? No. Should I be? I've been to Mexico before. I've been to Juarez. That's scary. That's scary.
Cozumel is the island more safe than all the Mexicans.
Yes.
Yeah, I heard that. her up here so she can sit at the bar in the swing?
I know, right?
That'd be neat. What, that little play area? Oh no. That'd be neat, huh? Water is cold at first.
If you want to. I mean, this zoomed in.
But yeah, to be cave tubing with them and hanging out with them on the cruise, you would never known if they were they just went every day for the people.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get out there with them. Are you stuck? We're on this ship.